everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to help you learn how to make video on Starmaker. Keep watching the video till the end, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open Starmaker application on your device. Once you're in, tap on the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen. Choose a karaoke to sing and record your video on. Tap on Sing in order to sing the song. Tap on the camera button. Choose either you want to hook, solo or duet. You can face the camera towards the front as well. Now tap on Start and record your video along with your song. That is how you can record your video along with your karaoke in Starmaker. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.